I'm on the elevators here at the Luxor Hotel. This one is shaking back and forth like crazy. And also, look at what they did to this. That is ugly. Unfortunately, I can't cheese the system on this one. Oh God. I didn't realize it. 2. Oh, 1. Let's see if it goes anywhere. Here's one of the other ones. Nope. Oh. Oh. Need help?
Yeah, I will go to 26.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This one shakes hard. Oh my God. These might be some of my favorite elevators in the city. 23. It's kind of pointless. Here you go. You're welcome. Let's see if it goes anywhere. Yeah, I can't cheese it. Oh, we're going up. Ah, no, we only 29. That was close. Let's get off.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This button's green. This one's red. I never ride any of the other banks here, I just ride this one. Any of them coming? This one I think is coming. Hopefully nobody got in. Oh, this one's got the weird black thing in it. Yeah, not that stupid. Down we go. This one runs a lot better. Doesn't shake as much. Nope, we're going all the way. These had different buttons before they were eventually modernized somewhat. That's not what the phone is. So the phone's right there. Stable buttons, I guess. Didn't highlight that last time. Let's see if we can see it stopping.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. That's all for you.
Thank you.
Here she is.
These are the purple elevators, apparently. Any other ones here? Nah. Alright, that's enough. Alright, that's it.